Hello my friends, today I'm decorating for Halloween. Today is part 1 of 2 and I start by taking off my fall decor. I'm starting in my entryway. And I got this sweet picture at Michael's. It's my favorite thing that I bought this year, maybe even in the last few years. I think it's so sweet. I also got those jars at Michael's and the flowers at Michael's. Actually, I think this whole table is all from Michael's. But I didn't like how the flower arrangement was kind of covering part of the pictures, so I put a cake stand in the back to lift the picture up a little bit. The skull is from my local grocery store, H-E-B, and this cloche is from Michael's. Those pink pumpkins, the rose-colored pumpkins, are from Michael's, and these black skulls, they're black glitter skulls that you can't really see, but I got those from my sister. And the little crow is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 6, so I kind of have them spread out throughout the house. And this is how it looks all complete. And next, moving on to the dining room table. Again, I start by taking everything off and cleaning a little bit. On this black and white tablecloth I got from Amazon. It is plastic, it's not cloth. I thought it was cloth when I bought it, but it works out. I think next year I'm going to buy either a black or a white tablecloth to go underneath it. I think that'll add a little bit more to it. So I made this little arrangement by myself a few years ago. I have a video on it, so I can link that. I'll put it in the description box. And then those little candlesticks are from the Dollar Tree. And I was going to use these lanterns, but they didn't look right. One's bigger than the other. It just kind of was throwing me off, so I replaced them with those black pumpkins that I got at the Dollar Tree. And all these other little pumpkins I got from Amazon and Michael's. Nope, not Michael's. Hobby Lobby. And the next area is the area above my coffee bar. So I thought it would look cute with a bunch of little potion bottles. The flower arrangement I believe I got from Dollar General a few years ago. The potion bottles from Michael's a few years ago. And then these little tiny potion bottles I got from Amazon. And they did have little labels to stick onto them, but I lost them. I'm sure they'll turn up after Halloween, and I'll put them on for next year. And now I have two small, easy DIY projects. The first is a yarn ghosts on a string. I don't know. They look kind of like tassels, but they're really cute. I watch The Distressed Princess. I watch a lot of YouTube. But on The Distressed Princess, she had both of these crafts. She had a video with a bunch of crafts, so I'll also put that in the links below so that you can go and check her out if you like. But these seem like two that would look really cute on my kitchen counters, so I started out with wrapping the yarn around a hard back book, and then I don't know why hardback book. I think it's so that you could slip the yarn to tie it together at the binding, or on the other side of the binding where the book opens. And then I just slipped it off and clipped the ends, and I ended out with this cute little ghost. And I got these little black beads in the jewelry making section at Walmart, so I'm going to use those for the eyeballs. And these are tiny little beads, and that hot glue sure is hot, so I made 5 of those ghosts, so it was 10 eyeballs, so I burnt my fingers a couple of times. Nothing bad, but I'm a big baby. And this rope is from the Dollar Tree, so I just tie the little ghosts onto the rope, and voila, the project is done. Now my next project is for the, I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but the Pottery Barn Gus the Ghost. It's $86 for the pillow. I worked extra so that I could buy it, but when it came time to order, I just couldn't spend $86 on a pillow. So I saw this, again, like I said earlier, on The Distressed Princess. It looks pretty close enough, and I get to put it on my counter instead of on my couch, because on my couch my dog will chew it up. Okay, so I just looked it up on the Pottery Barn website. It's not $86, it's $79.50, but that's still too much to pay for a pillow. And the Distressed Princess did it from Dollar Tree stuff. If I could do it again, which I probably will next year, but I would get just one single piece of the sharper. These are actually from the Dollar Tree. They're the car claws. So that wasn't long enough. I had to use 2. The styrofoam is from Walmart. The styrofoam ball is from Walmart. She used just a ball from the Dollar Tree because she was trying to use everything from the Dollar Tree, and then she painted it white. So the paper towel holder from the Dollar Tree, and then I put the styrofoam ball on top. Then I covered it with the white auto cloth, and now I'm just putting on the eyeballs. I don't remember what she used. I think she used black felt. I didn't have black felt, and I was tired of buying stuff, so I just used what I had, which was black vinyl. I was going to use a t-shirt, but the material curled up too much and it just didn't look right. So black vinyl it is. It looks fine for this year. It was just a few dollars anyways. But I think it came out so cute. So I'll show it in just a minute. I also watch the YouTube channel Jessica's Humble Home, and she made a really cute one. It looks way better than mine, so I'll link her channel too, so you can go check out how she did hers. And here's how I set it all up. And this is the entryway coming in from the garage, so I tried to make it a little spooky. I kind of messed around with this creepy cloth, but I think I finally got it, and I think it finally looks cute. So those boots, the witch's boots, from the picture on Amazon, it looked like they were real boots, but then when I got them, they were stuffed. But that's okay. They're still cute. But I got them, like I said, from Amazon. The creepy cloth was from Family Dollar, and the witch's broom was from Family Dollar. This welcome sign was from Family Dollar and Dollar Tree, and out not using it though. And then that dream catcher with the keys my son made for me. I think it's really perfect for the area. And that's it for part 1. I hope you tune in for my next video for part 2 so you can see the way I decorated the rest of my home.